Hello guys, welcome to our third video. Today we will start our first chapter, which is file manipulations, CLI, working on the CLI in general. We will check on the basic commands. Overall I just bring up an image, so we will go through most of this, not all of them, but we will go through a lot of them, let's say. So like the pwd, the cd, the make directory, we will go through them one by one, so I will explain them to you. I hope that you enjoyed the video. So yeah, let's start diving into our terminal directly. So I'll just put this on my second screen so that you don't see it, it's okay. So I will explain everything throughout the CLI. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. So we start with the ls command, so the list. So for example, I'm in a place that I don't know where, so I want to list my files. So as I can see, I have these folders, so I'm listing what do I have directly. So yeah, list is the first one to go. Second one is to move from a place to another. So we do that using the cd change directory. For example, I want to go through the root folder, so cd slash, and then I do ls, and I will find my system files. So as you can see they changed. So to get back to this to the home directory, for example, we do cd slash home slash the username, which is CLI, and we do enter. So as you can see, the home directory by default is this one, like this thing in here, as you can see. So for example, if I do a cd without anything, it takes me by default to the home directory of CLI. So yeah, here's the cd, and now I'm on the home directory. So second thing to do, if I want to check where am I, so where am I right now, first thing to do is we can do it with the pwd command. So as you can see, it displays slash home slash CLI, so it tells me where I am. For example, I can go through downloads and I list, I have nothing, and I want to check where am I do pwd, so I check where am I. So these commands are basic, I know, but you will use them a lot and most often. So yeah, they are very important. So next one, so for example, cd point, so I want to go back. Next one is, for example, I want to create a folder. So after this video there will be a lab, by the way, about file manipulations, so yeah, you can go through it. So I want to create a directory, so what do I do? So mkdir, and the name of the directory, so I'm going to call it RHCSA exercises, for example, exercises, and I list. So when I list, I have it right here, so I want to access it, so cd RHCSA exercises. So how do I do this auto completion? I do it using the tab, so I'm tabbing right now, as you can see. So I'm changing the directory again. Where am I? So I'm under home CLI RHCSA exercises, and I created this directory. So next thing to do is that I want to create a file inside this directory, so I'm going to use the touch command. So touch file1 to create a file1, and I list again. As you can see, here's the file1. So what if I want to create another file? Touch file2 ls. I have two files now. Okay, great. And now I want to show you another feature. So I want to create two files in a row. I can do this touch file2 file3 file4, sorry. So in this scenario we will create two files directly. So yeah, we can go through it. I do enter, and then I list again. So I have four files. For example, I can do the ll2. In the ll I will get more options about users, groups, how much does it have weight, and when did it got created. So yeah, and permissions too, we will go through them one by one, so don't worry about all this data. We will go through it. So for now, what's important, I want you to know that we created multiple files. For example, I want to type something in file 1. So we have two options. The first option is to echo. So echo means I need to display something. So for example, echo, if I do echo hello, it will display hello directly. But if I can, this is important, guys, please follow. If I want to write hello, and then I told him take the hello and redirect it to file 1. Put hello in file 1. So in this situation, if I go through what's the next command to check the file content, to check the file content, we used the cat command. So I will be cutting under file 1. As you can see, there's a hello. And to prove that I put something in file 1, let's cut on file 2. Cut on file 2. And there's nothing. There is no output. So let's write hello from file 2 and redirect it to file 2. What will happen if I cut into file 2? And I get my hello from file 2. So the cat command displays what's there. So as we can see, in this situation it displayed nothing. After adding something, it displayed it. So this is the first way to use it. The second one is to enter this file using a text editor. So I will do another video explaining what a text editor does in detail, but for now I'll just tell you its name. So for example, there's two text editors by default in the Linux distribution. So we have the Nano, the Red Hat distribution, and we have the Vim. So for me, it really depends from the person. What do you want to use? It's like VS Code or something like that. So for me, I use Vim. So I will do Vim on file 1. So text editor on file 1. So as you can see, the file is open now, and I can insert, for example, data throughout the file 1. So I will do hello2, and I will save. I will go through that in details in the next video before the lab. I will teach you more about the Vim. So for now, just bear with me. So we just cut the file 1 after adding the hello2, and as you can see, we added the hello2. Okay, this is it for this video. In the next video we will go through Vim for more details, and then we will do a lab.